Hey there, my name is Ed Howie, and this is Howie Grow a Brand.
1, 2, 3.
If you like what you learned from this video, help us by promoting the channel by clicking the like button below and subscribing to our channel. You ready to go? Let's get into today's chat. Woo! You know, as a business leader, it's really easy to get caught up in the financials. How many units have I bought? How many units have I sold? How many units do I have in inventory? We entrepreneurs can really get worn down. And when that happens, we oftentimes forget about why we're running the business. Well, it sounds trite, but when you lose the focus on the why, it's really difficult to manage the what. Today, we're talking with Kris Wittenberg, founder of Be Good to People, also affectionately known as the Original Kindness Company. Be Good to People believes in conscious capitalism. That is a business that can play an important role in making the world a better place through commerce. A percentage of every single Be Good to People purchase goes to the Be Good to People Foundation, which is a 501c3 nonprofit that's intent is to create a kinder world. Her foundation recognizes people and organizations who are being good to people, creates human kindness events like Bright Friday, and they foster kinder environments in schools. And now more than ever, we need to be good to people. Let's visit with Kris. All right. Hello, Kris.
Hi, Ed.
So it looks like we're on brand.
We called each other. What are you wearing today? I don't
Exactly.
know.
What are you wearing? I'm gonna wear a black shirt with white letters. How about you? So, Kris, as you know, we have visited multiple times, but really just want to take an opportunity to tell the world about your brand and your brand story. You know, one of the principles we operate from is that really your brand is more than just a product. And someone could look at your company and go, oh, she sells T-shirts. But you and I know that is much, much more. So let's talk about how this all started and what led to your creation of Be Good to People.
You know, it's funny. I think a lot of entrepreneurs share the experience of they became an entrepreneur not intentionally, right? They were solving a problem, or in my case, Be Good to People happened to me. I was out running errands many years ago here in our little mountain town in Colorado, and I had an unkind experience. And I honestly don't remember what happened in the experience, but when I returned to my office and stood there, I just stood in front of my whole team and said, why can't people just be good to people? How hard is that? I was actually really annoyed. And because I'm an entrepreneur, I have another company called Say No More Promotions, and we do logoed merchandise. So we put logos on products for brands. And I think because of that and the entrepreneurial blood that runs through my veins, my next thought was, I'm going to put Be Good to People on a t-shirt. And it was as simple as that. That's how it started.
Well, you know, it's interesting. You know, we're talking about that your brand is more than a product. And this is a great example of you had an idea, you had product expertise, but the whole process expertise of going B2C versus B2B, business to consumer, it is a different model and is very difficult as an entrepreneur. Even though you understand the product, the business model is your customer journey, all that is totally different. You've got this brand, Be Good to People. Why are you more than a t-shirt company?
Well, the easiest way to describe it is I say our products move the movement. So the magic of this brand is that every single product we have has Be Good to People on it, the message, and every single product we have is black and white. And the reason everything's black and white is because it's that simple. Just be good to people. So it's the most fascinating brand. I've been working in branding and promotions and marketing for 27 years.
Right.
So with some of the world's biggest well-known brands. And I have never seen a brand like this one. And it just gets to people's hearts. And the brand, the trade dress, if you will, the black and white and our fonts, it stops people in their tracks. So people, they get stopped in their tracks and then they come, whether it's the kiosk at the airport or whether we're at an event of the farmer's market in Vail or one of the holiday markets we do in different places in the country. Every person who works for Be Good to People is mission-centered and heart-centered. So we don't hire people who are just out to, make a wage. Everybody has to believe in our mission and this message and the brand. So it is the coolest thing, because people come to Be Good to People as customers,
right,
and then they leave as friends. So they leave as our friends, but they will meet other customers at the kiosk. We've had people stay at our kiosk for 2 hours, Ed, or in our tent, and exchange information and stay in touch. Be Good to People has connected people. And so what other brand does that? It's like-minded people coming together. The trade dress and the message gets them in, and then the conversations happen. And really, in our world, that's what is not happening, is we're not having civil conversations with one another. And so what Be Good to People does is it creates conversations.
You mentioned about being an unintentional entrepreneur. Well, I believe the best brands develop products that meet an unmet need. And I think it's safe to say that there is a significant unmet need for people being gooder to people than they are right now. So like, if I'm convinced multiple viewers, multiple part of our audience is going to want a product, how do you buy your first piece of Be Good to People?
We make it super simple. The website is begoodtopeople.com.
Amazing.
All of our social media, Instagram and Facebook, are where we do the most work. It's at Be Good to People. We also have a really cool private Facebook group called the Be Good to People community.
Oh, wow.
And I think Facebook, it's BGTP community. And that is actually where a lot of our conversations happen, and where people are connecting all over the country and getting together and meetups. And that's where this momentum is really building, is in that private community.
That's amazing.
And we make it easy. Every online order gets a free little gift in it. We handwrite a note on every order. Every order is packed with love, and we stand behind our products. Every once in a while we have, a mask that doesn't work or a pen that doesn't write, but our customer service, it's called our good service department. And we really exist to make people feel good. Can I add one thing really quickly?
Please do.
I want to share with everybody who watches this. I've been doing this for 12 years, and it is so easy to watch the news and be online and be discouraged about people and our world. I might start crying when I say this. I am here to say that there are more of us who feel this way than the others in the world, because when I am at an event and I'm talking to people, I can't believe how many people are on this team solid.
Yes.
And as this brand grows, we will see more of us coming together, and we are more than the others. They are just really loud. And we just need to be together and turn up our volume for kindness and respect and caring for one another. And it's going to be okay. It's going to be okay.
It is going to be okay. And lead with being good to people, and everything else tends to fall in place. I love it. Well, always a joy to visit with you, Kris. Be Good to People, truly one of my favorite brands, and I'm honored to be a part of the community. Thanks, Kris.
Thank you.
Hope this helps and inspires your day. If any of this works on your business this week, I'd love to hear about it in the comments, or hey, just message me. And if you haven't done so already, please take a bit of time and like and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.